You will not be destroyed by any emotional drama, by any attacks, by any haters, by any strange feedbacks that people give you. None of that. You will not be destroyed. You will survive it, you will get stronger, and you will have more to give. So I want you to know that, right? But emotional patterns is you need to break them, because if you're not in control of yourself or your emotions, I would say you can't really expect results in your business. Because when it comes to sales, this is something that we're doing in my, of course, we already started the sales training in my event group. In San Francisco event is happening on 4th and 5th of October, guys. I'm gonna obviously invite you to come. And I was just literally writing last night the next module for sales, and one of the things you will understand that sales altogether is a spiritual process of two spirits making an arrangement and the contract. And that means the spirits are non-emotional, guys. So if you understand that that's what sales are, that you have to be not emotional when you do it. And the person, the one, and your prospect, whoever you are taking to the next level, is you have to get them out of them being emotional. So it is not a arrangement between my ego and your ego, because there's nothing good gonna happen out of that. It's not gonna survive that kind of contract. So if you know that, obviously business happens from that place where you are completely in control, guys. So that's the agenda for you.